Hi everyone, welcome to the Security Awareness Training. Again, my name is Dr. Mike Bayaki and I specialize in computer security and privacy. And let's talk about this course a bit more before we get started. So again, I just want to say welcome, thank you for taking the course. I'm very passionate about computer security and privacy. It's been an area of research of mine for a long time, and it's been something that I have done a lot of work into. I have taught these courses before for security awareness and training, but I've done them in person, and I thought I'd convert it to an online course. And this way everyone could have access to it. And when I've taught these courses before, I've had a common question throughout the whole thing. And the very first question usually is, why learn about security? Why am I here? Why am I taking this? What is there to learn? I have a really long password. I should be safe online. And while having a really long password will keep you safe online, there's a lot of other tips and tricks and knowledge out there for you to learn to stay safe online. So why learn about security? Well, we moved a lot of our stuff online. Most of us do banking online. We no longer write letters. We mostly send emails. We'll communicate with our banks and our mortgage people online, which is sensitive data moving back and forth. We also have sensitive photos online, pictures of loved ones that we don't want to get out there. So we've moved a lot of things online, and we should have all that stuff stay secure. We shouldn't have to worry about our information being hacked or being stolen. We should just be able to sleep soundly at night knowing that our information's safe. So what are we going to be learning? I covered this in the promo video. I will quickly go over it again. We're going to be talking about phishing attacks. So many of you probably know this as spam email. We're going to be talking about social engineering. And social engineering isn't a technical trick. It's a social trick. So if someone calls in and wants you to reset their password, but they're not who they say they are, they're just lying, or they provide false information, that's social engineering. We're going to talk about data leakage, what it is, and how to prevent it. We're also going to be talking about passwords, how to create a strong password, but also how to create a strong password that's easily remembered. We're going to talk about browsing safe online and how you can just change your habits slightly to stay more safe. I'm going to talk about securing your personal data, or your personal devices, sorry. So we have your personal computer or your work computer that you're on right now, but we also want to secure your tablets, your phones, and any other personal devices you have. And finally, throughout this whole course, I'm going to be talking about general security tips and guidelines. So, staying safe online, whose responsibility is it? Well, many people just say it's the IT departments, and they'll say that, they're doing everything else, they keep me safe online, if something goes wrong, it's their fault. And that's only somewhat true. You have your IT department, you also have your software developers who have a responsibility to make sure that you're safe online and that their programs are safe and that their websites are safe. But you have a responsibility as well to stay safe online too. If anyone fails in that security link, whether it's you or the IT department or the software itself, if any one of those links fail, security as a whole fails. So there's many parts to security. There's your physical and environmental security. So you have a lock to your door or maybe a key swipe to your door to get in. That's preventing people from accessing your computer. That's physical security. We have front-end security, which is how you log into maybe your webmail or your email or another system online. So you have a username and password. Maybe you have a token code as well to type in. That's a front-end security. Then you have your back-end security. And this is where your software developers and your IT department get involved. They're making sure that your databases, and that the data warehouse and the servers are all stored safely. That's your back-end security. And finally, you have your comprehensive security. And your comprehensive security is this course right now. We're learning about security. We're getting more aware about security practices and privacy practices. So all four of those together, your physical security, your front end, your back end, and then this course here, that will make a definite and complete security. So that's what this course is about. That's why I'm offering it. Again, I'm very passionate and I'm excited about it. Enjoy the course. If you have any questions, please post them or contact me. I'll be happy to answer them. Most sections will have additional resources as well. It's a video or maybe some text to go along with it. And at the end of each section, so after we learn about phishing attacks and data leakages and social engineerings, after every section there's going to be a quiz as well. And these quizzes aren't meant to trick you. They're not meant to stump you or give you a hard time. These quizzes are fairly easy and straightforward, and they're just to make sure that you're following along and that you're understanding the material. Again, thank you for taking this course. I welcome you to the course, and let's get ready to learn about security.